Let's do this one. So Becky takes a 20-year mortgage for which her monthly payment is $1,200. During the early years of the mortgage, most of each payment is for interest, and a rather small remainder for principal, as real mortgages work. As time goes on, the portion of each payment that goes for interest decreases while the portion for principal increases, as shown in the following graphs. So here's a question. It says, part A, approximately how much of the $1,200 monthly payment goes for interest in year 15? So what you do is you look up this line where it says on the bottom here 15. Time is on the horizontal here, okay? And then because this is talking about, let's see, interest right here for year 15. Then you got to look at the intersection of the interest graph, which is roughly about here, see? And then you kind of look over here, so maybe it is about 310, and that's what you input here. You can probably input like 320, 305, 315, those values should work. It's an estimate. All right, then after that, the next part is, let's see, in what year will the monthly payment be equally divided between interest and principal? So what you want to do is look over here, right? When it's 600 right here, then you look over to here, that's when they're equal because they have the same vertical coordinates, 600. And then you look down to the horizontal axis, which is about here. And then this value is just about equal to 8, isn't it? So you put here 8. 8.4 also works, for example. Probably something like 8, 8.6, 8.7. It's an estimate. So all those values should work as long as they're reasonable. But for example, what I mean is do not put something like 10 in here, because 10 is all the way over here, correct? That's really far away from where the points meet here on the two graphs. So do not input 10 or 5 over here. That's again really far away from where the graphs meet. Okay, so you want to try to zoom in on the value that works, is reasonable.